The operation of this plugin is very simple and can be accessed from two entry points, one here and another here. First is the animation splitting feature. This function allows you to drag the source animation into this position and then click the detach button. After a while, you will obtain the animations for each component. Currently, they are divided into these 7 parts, where the lower body includes pelvis bone information, while the other parts do not. Next is the animation blending feature. This function allows you to drag the desired animation for a specific component into the corresponding position, and then click the blend button. For example, one animation is for walking, and another is for making a phone call. This feature allows you to specify the final animation's number of frames, which can be the minimum, maximum, or a specified number from a designated animation. The purpose of the input box is to perform linear interpolation from a specified number of frames before the final animation's last frame to the last frame itself. If the selected number is 0, no linear interpolation is applied to the final animation, and the result of the blended animation is saved. This function ensures that the final animation does not have the same first and last frames and provides a transition of frames to the last frame. After a short period of time, you will receive the blended animation. Lastly, this feature adds a specified number of frames to a designated animation and performs linear interpolation from the original animation's last frame to the last frame after adding the frames. If you do not want the last frame to be the same as the first frame, or if you want to achieve a loop, you don't need to use this feature. This function is also intended to ensure that individual component animations do not have the same first and last frames and provide a transition of frames to the last frame. Please note that currently, this plugin is designed specifically for animations assets targeting the skeletal structure of metahumans, Unreal Engine 4, and Unreal Engine 5's standard skeletons. It does not support Mixamo animations directly. However, you can use Mixamo's animation retargeting tool to convert Mixamo animations to the metahuman skeletal structure before using them with this plugin. I have tested this workflow and it works. Alternatively, you can also wait for future updates where I may include support for Mixamo animations.